안녕하세요. 알파마 마리스입니다. 33강 국민영어회화 시작하겠습니다. 33강은 에어컨에 관한 영어 표현입니다. 자, 더울 때는 에어컨을 세게 틀어달라고 하죠. 그때 보통 에어컨 높여주세요 이렇게 얘기를 하는데 에어컨을 높여달라는 뜻은 온도를 낮춰달라는 뜻입니다. 그래서 영어로는 표현이 turn the AC up please 또는 turn up the AC please 또는 turn the temperature down please 이렇게 합니다. 자, 그러니까 에어컨 강하게 틀어주세요. Turn the AC up please. Turn up the AC please. Turn the temperature down please. 자, 반대로 추울 때 에어컨을 약하게 틀어주세요 하려면요. Turn the AC down please. Turn down the AC please. Turn the temperature up please. 이렇게 하면 됩니다. 에어컨 강하게 틀어주세요. Turn the AC up please. Turn up the AC please. Turn the temperature down please. 에어컨 약하게 틀어주세요. Turn the AC down please. Turn down the AC please. Turn the temperature up please. AC는 air conditioner입니다. 한국말로 에어컨이죠. 자, 내가 온도를 낮췄어. I turned the temperature down. 에어컨 켜주세요. Turn on the AC please. Let's review. 화장 지웠어. I took off my makeup. 나 쌩얼이야. I got a bare face. I am bare-faced. I have no makeup on. 나는 화장하고 있어. I am putting on makeup. 그녀는 매일 화장한 상태야. She wears makeup every day. 그냥 둘러보고 있어요. I'm just browsing. 저렴하네. It's inexpensive. 가성비 좋다. It's affordable. 싸구려다. It's cheap. 계산해 주세요. Can you ring me up? 체크카드 결제되나요? Can I pay with my debit card? 신용카드로 결제되나요? Can I pay with my credit card? 현금 결제할게요. I will pay in cash. It's expensive. 그것 비싸다. The price is too high. 가격이 아주 높다. That's absurd. 어이가 없다. That is humiliating. 굴욕적이다. What a disgrace. 망신이다. That was embarrassing. 수치스러웠다. 사이즈가 맞지 않아요. It doesn't fit. 이것보다 더 큰 사이즈가 있습니까? Do you have this in a larger size? 이것은 다른 색상이 있습니까? Does this come in any other colors? 잘 어울려요. It looks good on you. Let's read the sentences together. What is the biggest animal in the world? The whale is the biggest. Who is the tallest in this room? Tom is the tallest. Who is the fastest in the classroom? Jane is the fastest. Who has the longest pencil? James has the longest pencil. Who is the youngest? Lisa is the youngest. Let's read the sentences. I am taller than you. You are younger than me. My desk is bigger than yours. My book is thicker than yours. Lions are faster than elephants. My pencil is longer than yours. 33강 문장입니다. Dear children, let us not love with words or tongue, but with actions and in truth. 1 John chapter 3, verse 18. 자녀들아, 우리가 말과 혀로만 사랑하지 말고 행함과 진실함으로 하자. 요한일서 3장 18절 말씀. 32강 문장입니다. Cast your cares on the Lord, and He will sustain you. He will never let the righteous fall. Psalm 55:22. 내 짐을 여호와께 맡기라. 그가 너를 붙드시고 의인의 요동함을 영원히 허락하지 아니하시리로다. 시편 55편 22절 말씀. 31강은 로마서 5장 8절입니다. But God demonstrates His own love for us in this, while we were still sinners, Christ died for us. Romans chapter 5, verse 8. 우리가 아직 죄인 되었을 때에 그리스도께서 우리를 위하여 죽으심으로 하나님께서 우리에 대한 자기의 사랑을 확증하셨느니라. 로마서 5장 8절 말씀. 30강 문장입니다. Look to the Lord and His strength. Seek His face always. First Chronicles 16:11. 여호와와 그의 능력을 구할지어다. 항상 그의 얼굴을 찾을지어다. 역대상 16장 11절 말씀. 29강 문장입니다. Know that the world is God. It is He who made us, and we are His. We are His people, the sheep of His pasture. Psalm chapter 100, verse 3. 여호와가 우리 하나님이신 줄을 너희는 알지어다. 그는 우리를 지으시니요. 우리는 그의 것이니 그의 백성이요. 그의 기르시는 양이로다. 시편 100편 3절 말씀. 28강 문장은 사도행전 1장 8절입니다. But you will receive power when the Holy Spirit comes on you, and you will be my witnesses in Jerusalem and in all Judea and Samaria and to the ends of the earth. Acts chapter 1, verse 8. 26강 문장입니다. My dear brothers, take note of this. Everyone should be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry. James chapter 1, verse 19. 25강 문장입니다. Here I am. I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come in and eat with him, and he with me. Revelation chapter 3, verse 20. 33강 노래는 Hard to Say I'm Sorry입니다. 유튜브에서 Hard to Say I'm Sorry 가사 해석으로 검색하시면 가사를 보실 수 있는데요. 가사를 필기하시고 같이 노래 불러보도록 하겠습니다. Everybody needs a little time away. I heard her say from each other. Even loves need a holiday. Far away from each other. Hold me now. It's hard for me to say I'm sorry. I just want you to stay. After all that we've been through, I will make it up to you. I promise to. And after all that's been said and done, you're just a part of me I can't let go. I feel it in my fingers. I feel it in my toes. Love is all around me, and so the feeling grows. It's written on the wind. It's everywhere I go. Oh, yes, it is. So if you really love me, come on and let it show. Oh, you know I love you, I always will. My mind's made up by the way that I feel. There's no beginning, there's be no end. 'Cause on my love, you can depend. I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me of the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see is just a yellow lemon tree. I'm turning my head up and down. I'm turning around, and all that I can see is just yellow lemon tree. Why do you build me up, buttercup baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and then what's the ball? You never call baby when you say you will, but I love you still, I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. You know I can't smile without you. I can't smile without you. I can't laugh and I can't sing. I'm finding it hard to do anything. You see, I feel sad when you're sad. I feel glad when you're glad. If you only knew what I'm going through, I just can't smile without you. When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all. I'm on your side. Oh, when times get rough and friends just can't be found, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down. Like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down. Sugar, oh honey, honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. Honey, oh sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. I just can't believe the loveliness of loving you. I just can't believe it's true. I just can't believe the wonder of this feeling too. I just can't believe it's true. Oh sugar, oh honey, honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. Honey, oh sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we wept when we remember Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we wept when we remember Zion. When the wicked carry us away in captivity, required from us a song. Now how shall we sing the lost song in a strange land? When the wicked carries us away in captivity, required from us a song. Now how shall we sing the lost song in a strange land? 이번 영상은 여기까지입니다. 시청해주셔서 감사드리고요. 구독, 좋아요 눌러주시면 더욱더 감사드리겠습니다. 감사합니다.